Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video, and today I'm talking about keto, but this video will be a little different. Okay, so today is about what if I don't want to do keto? What if I want to do a different diet? Why am I preaching so much about keto? Why is keto a big thing? Okay, and the reason, and then you don't have to do a keto diet, any diet you want to. Keto taught me about food. Okay, what do you mean by food? It taught me what's good and what's bad, what's gonna put weight on you, and what's gonna burn fat. Keto taught me a lot of things about food I didn't know about, and I did a video a while ago, and I talked about my past videos about I'm eating oatmeal and bananas in the morning, thinking it was healthy, because on some other diets they want you want to eat oatmeal or bananas in the morning, or berries or fruit in the morning. Some diets are like that. But turn to find out that bananas have a lot of carbohydrates, which turns into sugar, which helps you gain weight or put weight on you, keep weight on you. The same with oatmeal. Oatmeal has a lot of carbs and sugar in it, which, to anybody, oatmeal is better than cereal. Oatmeal is better than fried bacon and fried foods. Oatmeal is a good alternative breakfast because it's healthy for you. It's whole grains. But as whole grains, with the keto diet, you learn about whole grains are not good for you. You learn about bread is not really good for you, trying to lose weight. So keto taught me a lot of stuff about food. That's why I preach about keto so much, because it does help lose weight. It does teach you about food. And I couldn't, if you're working out 3 times a day, working out hard, and you're not losing no weight. So many people who've been working out, they'll work out for a whole month and lose 2 pounds. They work out 3 times a day and lose no weight. And because it's the food you're eating. And you probably figuring, though, fruits ain't bad for me. I can eat fruit all day. Let me tell you, me and my wife did we watched the Joe Cross juicing movie, Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead movie, which is a really good movie, by the way. Check it out. But we did that diet, so we did, because he just drunk juice all day and he lost weight. So me and my wife did that. We did 10 whole days. We did vegetables and fruit. Okay, because the vegetables, you need something sweet with it, because pure vegetables like celery and spinach and kale don't taste good. You need like a pineapple or something, a mango or apple or something, you know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. So what happened was, we did that for 10 days. Me and her had no solid food for 10 days. And we didn't lose no weight. I felt good. I felt better. I felt good. If I did a little bit longer, I might have lost some weight. Or we might have lost some weight, excuse me. But we didn't lose no weight. And then after maybe a year later, after I discovered the keto diet, I realized that fruits have a lot of carbs, lots of sugar, lots of fructose in it, which the body absorbs and it turns into fat. You know what I'm saying? So I was drinking my fat, wasn't even losing none. So I learned that on keto. On keto, you ain't really supposed to have no fruit because of the sugar content. And that's why we ain't losing no weight. So we tried the juicing diet, didn't lose no weight. 10 days straight. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner was all a drink we made. All healthy, fruits and vegetables, all healthy. We did that for 10 days, didn't lose no weight. And after, as I'm saying, discovered keto, I realized that fruits have a lot of carbs, sugar, high fructose corn syrup on some of them. They're GMO. We just didn't lose no weight. We ain't gaining no weight, but we ain't losing no weight. And I tried our diet, and maybe we did 20 days, but after 10 days not eating no solid food, couldn't do it no more. Couldn't do it. So keto has taught me about foods. It taught me about vegetables and fruit. So again, if you don't want to do the keto diet, I suggest you learn about the keto diet, and learn about the fundamentals, why keto, why on keto you don't eat fruits, why on keto you only eat high carb foods, why on keto you don't eat bread. Find out why we don't eat bread. What happens to bread when you eat it? There's another question they ask you. Learn that as well. why you can't have bread? Why can't I have this Slurpee? Why can't I have candy? You know, they'll let you know, ask these questions so you understand why on this keto diet you don't do certain things, and research it. It'll tell you bread is a carbohydrate. Your blood, you know, your body have a hard time digesting it. So, and then when it digests it, it turns into sugar, and then sugar it can be used for energy or store fat. And we're sitting down all day, it's gonna be stored as store fat, help you gain weight. That's the fast version. That's the short version of it. There's more scientific sense behind that, but that's why I'm thank God I learned about the keto diet. I learned about foods, what's bad for me, what's good for me, what I can't eat, what I can't eat. And my wife thinking, you know, I'm eating all this bacon, and for more in the morning, I wasn't a big bacon eater. I mean, abundance burgers and chicken, and she's like, what, you know, non-breaded chicken, not breaded. Why you know all these? I'm like, I feel better than I ever felt. I'm losing weight. I'm not working out. So that's it. If I would have worked out in the gym maybe twice a week, I'd be losing more weight faster. But that's my video. Just, you know, let's learn the keto diet. Learn why people don't have 30 carbs or 50 carbs or 60 carbs, or why people carb count. Carbs turns into sugar. And most breads and pastas have that. That's why these companies are making these no carb breads or low carb breads, because people are staying woke. People are woke now. People are doing research. People go online, on their phone, on their laptop, on their tablet, on their Xbox, on their PlayStation, on their whatever, television, and just look up stuff. People are getting woke now. You know, the people are staying woke. And that's why these companies are making these low carb friendly items, breads and stuff, and low carb juices and low sugar things, because people are tired of eating that bad stuff. They're tired of eating it, and they're getting sick, getting diabetes and stuff, and getting cancers, and you know, you go to the hospital to feed you the same crap that you're supposed to avoid. I don't understand that you're in the hospital, but the bread turns into sugar. And, you know, it just gives you, I mean, me and my wife in the hospital for our baby, for our son, and they was giving us sugary drinks, and they gave us apple juice, and I had like 35 grams of sugar. I'm like, if my wife was, you know, had digestional diabetes because she was pregnant, why are you giving her sugar? You know what I'm saying? Because the sugar is what's triggering the diabetes. So you give her apple juice, it just don't make any sense to me. So people are staying woke now. Stay woke. Do your research. Stay woke. Learn a keto diet. Learn a keto plan. Why people on keto eat the way they eat, and why they count the carbs and do macros the way they do it. We do it for a reason. We do it because there are bad things out the world that make you sick and make you just croak. So that's my video on keto. Thanks for watching my video all the way to the end. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.